Hello guys, and welcome back to another grocery haul. In this grocery haul, I have ingredients for a spooky recipe, actually two spooky recipes that I can't wait to show you guys. Just a quick glimpse of everything that I have. It cost me $40. To start out, I got my Florida's Natural Lemonade. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys know that I prefer Florida Naturals over Simply Lemonade. I only drink three. I did try the other one, it was really good. If you watched my last grocery haul. I forget the name of it, but it was really good. So these are $1.88. This is a Walmart grocery haul, by the way. That should be up in the title. So then I got two of these, are $1.88 a piece. The mushrooms were a substitution. I ordered another type of mushrooms. I want sliced mushrooms. And they either didn't have it or something went wrong with it. I had to substitute it. I'm not exactly sure how that works because, as you guys know, I don't really order from Walmart that often. So anyways, these are Baby Bella sliced mushrooms. I don't know how much these were. Then I got my son's some frozen pancakes. For school mornings, it makes it very easy. And I love these because you can just take on an individual packet. I do believe they come like 3 or 4 in a pack. I haven't ordered them in a very long time, so I don't remember exactly. But I will leave a comment down below. I will actually pin it for you guys and let you guys know how many come in an individual packet. I got cornbread mix for a recipe, 2 orange peppers. I saw this last year and I've been dying to make it ever since, and I keep forgetting to make it. I want to make jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers. Then I got an onion for a recipe, tomato paste for a recipe, pepper jack cheese for a recipe, my favorite fruit snacks. These are so cheap too, like I think this box is like $3.84. It's the Walmart brand, original fruit smalls. These are the best. They have the best flavor, best texture, you name it. These fruit snacks are it. Then, as you guys know, if you've been watching, if you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe down below. But my son loves Lunchables with the school lunch, so I picked up 5 of these. I haven't seen these in years, since I was a teenager, so I picked up a box of these. This was a Walmart delivery, by the way. So I was looking for regular Oreos online, so it's gonna be like an Oreo truffle ball, if you want to call it. And these popped up, and I'm like, you know what? That's a quick snack. And they look like whoopie pies. I haven't had them in so long, I forget how they taste. So I can't tell you if they taste exactly like whoopie pies, but I'm gonna freeze these. But I prefer my whoopie pies frozen. I actually prefer red velvet whoopie pies over chocolate, but that'll do. And then pancake mix, because I want to make a couple of recipes, and it requires pancake mix. So that is everything from Walmart, and it was $38 and change, $39 and change, something like that. So like I said, if you're brand new, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to have tons of grocery hauls coming up and I can't wait to show you all. I also just wanted to throw out there real quick. I want to start adding 2 more days onto my workload. So on Wednesdays, I want to make a Recipe Wednesday. And then on Fridays, I want to do Grocery Haul Friday. Whether or not I'm able to keep up with this, I'm not sure. But I am going to try my best.